Hey guys, Alicia here. I just wanted to share another place that you can sell your digital designs and potentially increase your income because you can sell them in more than one place. Now, the Hungry JPEG is almost just like selling instant downloads on Etsy. However, the focus is strictly on instant downloads. There is just so many things on here. I was browsing through and I really wanted to share this with you. So if you want to open a store, and I just submitted an application to open a store with the Hungry JPEG. All you have to do to open a store with the Hungry JPEG is you go down here and you put your desired store name. You're going to fill in this information, basically your name, your email address, and you're going to come up with a password. Now, they're going to want to see an example of your work right here. Okay, so you don't have to probably send, 10 items. They just want to get an idea of what your work looks like. So you're also going to need a Dropbox account. So I do not use Dropbox very much. However, I'm going to start using it a lot more. I mean, you can tell I haven't been on here since February of 2016. I have my resume, and I don't even know what this is a getting started from Dropbox. So I only had one thing in here. So what you want to do is you want to create a folder, and right here you want to click where you can share this. You can click this where only you can see it, or you can click anyone with the link can view this folder. And when you click on it, let's see if I can do it again. Okay. I've already created a link, so it's not going to give me that option to do this again. But when you originally create the folder, it's going to give you an option to create a link. And at that point, anyone with the link can share. So you want to put people can view, download, and comment. And then, let's see, I just changed it back. So let me see if I can do this again. Link settings. Anyone with the link. So anyone with this link can share. So all you have to do here is click copy link. And when you go over here to the Hungry JPEG, right here where it says your portfolio URL, you're just going to hit Control V, and that is going to copy that into that information. Okay, so I've already done this, and I'm actually going to delete this. So let's just take a look inside the Hungry JPEG. They're actually really growing from when I first started. So, people can get on here and create things. You can create bundles, which is what my next video is going to be about, on creating bundles. So they have all these things and you can sell the bundles. Let's see, $16. You can buy script. I mean, this is an excellent site, and I can't believe that I have not checked into this sooner, because it's really great. And you have a choice here. You've got graphics, you've got photos, templates, so you can even sell all of your business cards, your brochures, your flyers, your graphics, your mock-up photos. I mean, let's just take a look here for crafters and cards and gifts. So let's go here to business cards as if we were shopping. Okay, once again, great sellers. So it looks like these business cards are selling for like a lot more than just $1. So this is just a great way to increase your income. So when you list them on Etsy, then you can also list them on the Hungry JPEG. So, once again, I just think that this is an awesome way to increase your income by offering to sell it in more than one place. So, let's just take a look at this Christmas and what sweet watercolor Christmas. And let's just see what they have to offer. So they have all these graphics that you can get on here. And it looks like they even have mock-up templates, notepads. And then it just says on here, 41 illustrations, 5 digital papers. And something else I've noticed that I probably need to do an entire video on is commercial license. Okay, so you want to, if you want to make something and offer it for commercial use, there is some verbiage that you can type. And I've noticed that on Creative Market as well. So maybe I will get to that video here soon on the commercial license, because if you get on Creative Market, let's see, let me just get on Creative Market. Okay, so I'm on here, and let's see that if we were just going to click here for this watercolor collection, which is $15. I'm just trying to see if I can find something that I've come across. Okay, it says read more about the license here. So Creative Market licenses. So this actually comes with 27 PNG, which is an alphabet, and it comes with 18 PNG floral arrangements, 23 backgrounds, 19 PNG gold frames and geometrical shapes, 29 PNG floral elements, and 3 PNG seamless patterns. And it looks like everybody is liking this. The comments on it were great. So read more about the license here on Creative Market. And when you have personal use, the standard license is unlimited project. Okay. Commercial use, it only allows you one project. So that means you can make one project and you can list it on Etsy and have 999 available. And you can continue to sell that same product over and over again. And then they do have options where they have end product for sale, and then they have up to 500 sales, or the extended license, which is unlimited sales. Now, I've only noticed this so much, like more on Creative Market, because when you go to Etsy, I have noticed that people will just list commercial use as okay. Sometimes they'll say, commercial use for small business, maybe for a few projects or whatever. But I think I will do a video soon whenever I get more research done on commercial licensing. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you, that the Hungry JPEG is a way to increase your income. So once again, and it's telling me my store application has been received. And you want to make sure you type the Hungry JPEG and in the search bar type open a store, because if not, it's just going to take you to the main page to purchase. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I mean, who wouldn't want to increase their income, you know, by listing in more than one place? You know, and it says on here, you earn 70% of every sale you make. You can choose to have your earnings with PayPal or Payoneer. So probably most people would use Payoneer. Once approved, upload your products instantly at prices you set. So you get to do that. Sell products while you sleep with their automated product delivery system. So that's telling me that this is instant downloads. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Or if you're already selling on the Hungry JPEG, let me know what your experience is with that. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.